Hello guys and welcome to another Fusion 360 video. My name is JJ Urbina. I've been programming CNC machines for 9 years in the for the woodworking industry. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can create toolpaths from machining templates and how you can copy and paste toolpaths from one job to another. Okay. All right. So let's start with this panel here. It's just a template that I made on a CNC machine for a co-worker in the shop. He wanted a slot right in the center, and he wanted 2 inches between the slot and the front of the panel. All right. So I'm gonna go to manufacturer workspace, and I'm gonna create a new setup. I'm gonna go up here where it says setup, and I want my WCS to be here, this back corner here, bottom corner. All right. All right. So I'm gonna under under setup where it says Z-axis, I'm gonna select this top face. The Y-axis is gonna be this edge here, and boom, all right? That's where the stock point is gonna be, all right? There's the WCS right there, okay? Okay, so I have the WCS set up here. I want to go to the next tab, which is stock. This is where you can add stock to all size. And down here is the stock dimensions. This is the size of the panel, all right? Post process, I'm going to name the program template, and I'm going to write a comment here, which is going to be a 1/4 inch 2 flute compression bit. Okay. Writing comments here is really helpful because let's say you work in the office, programming parts, and you send in the programs to the machine operator. He or she can open up the program and read the comment. Uh, all right, and from there they'll know what bit to use. Let's say let's say you have a backside machining. You can write a comment here. All right, so flip the part from left to right or from back to front. So this is really helpful here. All right. Okay. So in this case, the 1/4 inch 2 foot compression bit. That's the comment. All right. So I'm gonna click OK. All right. So I got my stock defined. All right. So next is I'm gonna use the 2D pocket. All right. And I'm not gonna go up here and select the 2D toolpath, 2D pocket toolpath. All right. I have created a machining template. All right. To make my programming a lot faster. All right. Saves me a lot of time. So while I have setup 4 selected, I'm gonna right click and I'm gonna go down to where it says create from template. All right. And these are the machining templates that I use recently on different jobs. All right. So I'm gonna use a 2D pocket, and I got all the machining templates here. Got 2D contour cutout, 2D pocket cutouts. All right. I got drilling, and this is all the boring bits that I use on my machine. All right. So I'm gonna select the 2D pocket cutouts, and I'm gonna use a 1/4 inch end mill. All right. In this case, it's 6 millimeters. All right. Okay. And it's gonna cut through. It's gonna have it has a 4 millimeter step down, a 4mm step over. It has a 2-degree zigzag ramp. I want to select that. Notice that you get this red circle with exclamation mark. Um, Simply telling me that I have no toolpath because I haven't selected any geometry. All right. So I'm gonna right click, edit. All right. And these are the feeds and speeds that that I'm gonna be using. All right. I got 7 meters per minute, 18,000 RPM. All right. Um, as you can see, my manufacturer workspace is metric because the machine is metric. All right, it's a metric machine from Germany, which is a wiki CNC machine. Has a pattern rail table, and my post processor is metric as well. All right. So under geometry tab, I'm gonna select the 2D pocket. I'm gonna select this bottom geometry here, and under heights, I'm not changing anything here. The bottom height is -1 millimeter, so it's gonna the bit is gonna go past 1 millimeter to cut this slot out. All right. Under passes, everything's set up here. All right. Okay. And the smoothing tolerance that I use for that machine is right here, 0.02 millimeters, same as the tolerance. This is the number that works best for my machine, which is an old machine, so I get less G code lines. All right. These tolerance and smoothing values. All right. So under linking tab, um, the ramp type, zigzag, 2 degrees. All right. I also have keep tool down checked because if I don't, the machine is gonna retract every step down, and which means the program is gonna be longer. It's gonna take your machine longer to make this part. All right, and you you're gonna have more macros when you open this program in Woodwap. Okay, you want to have one macro. All right, so that's why I have this keep tool down checked, and the maximum stay down is 3,000 millimeters. All right, you just hover your mouse over this, and Fusion gives you a picture, it tells you what it is. All right, all right. So I'm gonna click OK, and there's my 2D pocket toolpath. All right, I'm gonna simulate it. Right click, simulate, play it. I'm gonna stop it. If you don't see the toolpath, you gotta check this box, which it is. This is just a minor bug I have after the last update. So I'm gonna check it and uncheck it, and it's gonna go away. All right. Let's play the simulation. All right. All right. And I'm gonna click on the cube here, which says right. Take me to the front of the part. All right. This is the front of the part here. You see that? So that the under under bottom height. Remember, I had -1 millimeter, so that's 1 millimeter right here from the bottom face of the part. All right. So I'm gonna post this program, post process. Okay. I'm gonna open it up in Woodwap. Go to that folder. There's the program. Okay. All right. Let's go back to Fusion. Before I show you how you can copy and paste toolpaths, I'm gonna show you one more thing, right? Um, I'm gonna edit this toolpath under linking tab. If I uncheck this, let's see what happens. Click OK. Okay, it's simulated. Okay, and I'm gonna post this program. Let's see how many macros we get. We're gonna get like 5 macros, I think. All right, because the machine is retracting. So I'm gonna post it. Okay, let's open it up in Woodwap. See that? Now you get more macros, right? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 macros, like I said, right? So you want to have the box keep tool down, box checked, all right? And you gotta increase the distance. The default value of that is 50 millimeters, all right? You can increase it whatever it gets to 1,000 millimeters, all right? So you can get 1 macro, okay? So you want to keep your program clean and simple, all right? Okay, let's close this. Let's go back to Fusion. So I'm gonna copy. Before I copy this toolpath, I'm gonna edit it. I'm gonna go back towards this link to the linking tab and towards this keep tool down. See that the default value is 3,000. I'm gonna go back to 3,000 millimeters, and you can right click and you can save that as default. See it? And that's what I'm gonna do right now. Okay, click OK. All right. So I'm gonna copy. This toolpath. Okay. I'm gonna copy. Right click, copy. So I'm going to the next job here. So let's say the coworker comes back with a longer part, and he wants the same machining. All right, same size slots. Um, but he wants more than just one slot, right? And he gives you the dimensions. All right, I want the spacing between the slots to be 16 and a quarter, whatever, right? So you're gonna create a new sketch, all right, and you're gonna enter the dimensions there, all right. I'm not gonna show how to do that in this video. I'm gonna make another video how you can copy dimensions from the 2D sketch, how you can use the parameters, all right, which I did in these on both programs, right? So I have a longer part here, which is 96 and 9/16 by 9 and 3/16, right? So I'm gonna go to manufacturer workspace, and I'm gonna create a new setup, and my WCS is gonna be this back bottom edge here, right? So it did everything for me, right? Select the model, the stock point is right there, the Z-axis is pointing up, all right? All right, so on the stock, you see the stock dimensions here. On the post process, I'm gonna name this template template 2, and you can copy the program coming from the previous program and paste it here if you want, right? I'm not gonna do it right now, so I'm just gonna click OK. All right. So while I have setup 1 selected, so I'm gonna right click and go down to where it says paste. Okay. It gives you a warning. All right. Tells you what the warning is. Blah blah blah. All right. So I'm gonna click OK. You don't see the toolpad, right? Because you're gonna have to click on this arrow and drop it down, and there's a toolpath. All right. I have no toolpath for now because I have to select. All right, the 2D pockets, right? So I'm gonna right click, edit, and I'm gonna select this pocket here, the bottom geometry, this here, this one here. All right, and you're gonna have the same parameters, you're gonna have the same step down. You're gonna have the same step over. See that? This is really nice, right? This is how you can this is how you can make your programming more efficient. All right, see it? Okay, brings the same email that you're gonna be using. So I'm gonna click OK. Okay, see it? Okay, so I'm gonna simulate this program. I want to see that toolpath. I'm gonna speed it up a little bit. Okay, so I'm gonna post this program. I should be getting 3 macros in Bootwap, right? So I'm gonna post it. Got name of the program. All right. Forgot to put an underscore between the template and the number 2. All right. For the NPR file. So I'm gonna post it. Okay. I'm gonna open it up in Bootwap. Go to that folder. Template 2. There you go, guys. See it? So I got 3 macros. Right. If you didn't have the keep tool down checked, you will have so many macros here. In this case, it will be 15 macros. You're gonna have 5 macros per operation, right? So this is how you keep your program clean and simple, right? Okay, that's 1 macro, other macro, other macro. All right. All right, guys. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to watch more content like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to like and comment. I'm gonna be making more videos like this. All right. Okay. So you can use Fusion 360 to program your whole Mac and Wiki CNC machine. All right. All right, guys. So I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.